Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make Google default search engine in Windows 11, so all your searches come directly from Google in just a few clicks. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. On the left-hand side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down to the bottom and select Search. Then select Address Bar. Step 2. Under Search Engine used in Address Bar, choose Google to make it your default. Close and reopen Edge, then try typing a query in the address bar. Your searches will now come from Google automatically. Step 3. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Search Engine to access search engine settings. Step 4. Under Search Engine used in the address bar, select Google to make it your default. Close and reopen Chrome. Then try typing any query in the address bar. Your searches will now go through Google automatically. Thank you for watching Techie Dialogue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy Windows 11 tutorials.